The reason I want to mention is that sometimes, especially in Africa or even here in the West, some people might be going through this sort of symptoms and they do not realize that they are depressed. And just like the topic of anxiety that is caused by fear of inabilities to pay, like pay bills or deal with matters that requires you to handle that you're not able to handle, and they cause you worry and fear. Anxiety is mostly that, but we're not. The reason I'm mentioning anxiety is that it can progress to people having depression. So the symptoms of depression that is going to present itself, or somebody can witness and know that a family member or you or a wife or a husband, mostly as mostly women are suffering depression, is they tend to be feeling very unhappy. Every time they are often unhappy and they are anxious, which is the anxiety that I talked about in my previous recording. You'll see that anxiety also showing up. They will feel hopeless, feeling of hopelessness, and they will have low self-esteem, so they don't have confidence in themselves. They will not have pleasure doing the things they used to do before. So it's like a woman or a man that likes to go out, or a person that always likes to hang out with other people, you will see the person, they will withdraw, they don't want to hang out. If it's somebody that likes to go to gym, you see them, they stop going to gym. Or it could be anything they like to do before that makes them happy, they will abstain from there. It might be social outing, they will cut off. They're always keeping, to themselves because they are not happy anymore. They're not enjoying life. They're not living life anymore. So they always also can feel a sense of tears. They're all fearful. They'll be fearful and they will always be very tearful. They tend to cry. Any little thing, they cry. On their own, they cry. Because there are situations in their life that has put them in that state of confusion, upset, disorganized. So those are the symptoms of a depression.